Hey YouTube, GarageBoys here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to fix your AC on a Chevy Cruze between the years 2010 to 2016. It's a very common issue with this car. It's a sensor. This will only be a fix if your issue with the AC is based on your temperature. So you may not notice, but I live in Houston. Sometimes when I turn on my car, I'll get a message saying, watch out with ice on the roads, or temperature below so there's ice on the roads, which is not accurate. And so the car thinks that the temperature outside is so cold that it won't let you turn on your AC. Your issue is the ambient temperature sensor, which is located up in the front. I'm going to show you where in just a minute. And the price for that sensor is very cheap. It's between $5 to $30. I'm going to put a link in the description. You can check that out, and you can buy it from there, from Amazon. You can, get it within a couple of days. But it's very easy to replace. So let me show you the message that I get. Sometimes I'll get this message, but let's see if I get it. When you turn on your car, let's see. So it's checking. Well, I didn't get the message. Temperature, it says 50, which is not actually 50. I'm closer to like 90 right now, summertime in Houston. But sometimes I'll get a negative 40. So I'll be negative 40, and then I'll get a message saying, ice on road, watch out. So when you have that, even if you turn on your AC and everything, it won't really get cold because the car thinks it's super cold outside, so it won't let you turn on. Let me turn my AC off. So whenever you get that, your AC cuts off, and it's frustrating. The fix, like I said, is very easy. The ambient sensor is right here. Just follow me. For this car, 2010 all the way to 2014, it's right here. Oh. See, it's right there. And actually, my car is missing it because, as you can see, they had a little fender bender. So the sensor is probably back there. I'm going to show you how to access that. 2015, 2016, 2017, the sensor is right here behind this grill. So you have to kind of go behind the bumper and get it, but it's in the front of the vehicle. Let me show you how to access this. The best option is from the bottom. My bumper is so cracked that I can just put my hand inside and kind of feel it. But I'm going to show you how to do it if your car was in mint condition. Just a couple of screws you have to remove, and you'll have access to the sensor. Like I said, the sensor is very cheap, and you can replace it very quick. You can do this yourself within minutes. So let me show you what you have to do now. Okay guys, so if you come down here, as I mentioned before, mine is broken. You see it actually goes right like this. And I can just move it back, and the sensor's right there. Actually, it's this cable right here. See, actually, it's right there. See, that's the sensor. And it clips in that hole right there. You can actually try and just remove this panel, which probably with a flathead, it has a couple of clips. I'm not messing with it because it's so cracked, and if I take it off, I'm scared it won't push back in. So I may break it. But down here is very simple. You're gonna need a Torx T20, which is this little guy right here. And you're gonna come in here and remove this, which I don't have to, but you will have to. So it's just this one right here. Let me try and focus. Okay, this one right here, remove this. And then if you come down here, there's gonna be another one. And it's this one right here. So it's two of those screws, T20. And once you remove those two, you should be able to do this, what I'm doing right now, which I'm gonna remove this one so I can have some more space. Once you do this, that's it. You don't need any more space. If you need, for whatever reason, more space, then there's a couple of clips. You just use your flathead and remove this one, and then there's one here, and then just keeps on going. Well, there's another Torx screw. But just with this tool, you're fine. Remove this tool, and then let me show you what you have to do next. That's your sensor right there. It's basically just a plug and play. Just remove it. See? Just remove this one. Remove that, and then I'm going to show you how to push it in through there. So let me just take out that screw, and then I'm going to show you details on this sensor right here. Okay guys, so I've removed that screw like I mentioned before, and now as you can see, my sensor's right here hanging. You just reach in here. It's hard to show, but reach in here, and your sensor should be in this area. Well, obviously your sensor's going to be hooked up to this. To remove this, you'll see the sensor has a couple of clips. This is my new sensor. But as you can see, it has this little clips, and they'll just push from behind and come out here. You just have to push them in with a flathead, kind of push in the clips So with a flathead, you're gonna come in and kind of push the clips in so it can squeeze in, and you can pull the sensor out. So you can do that on this side, while on the other, behind it, you can just pull. Once you have your sensor out, see mine's broken. It's just probably the same, or maybe you're having issues with the connection. But what you're gonna do is just unclip it from here and pull back, okay? So just unclip this right here and pull the sensor out. Let me see if I can, yeah, there you go. So see, I just took it out with one hand. So if I did it with one hand, I'm pretty sure you can do it with two hands. Very easy. This car comes with two different sensors. This is one of them. I think this is the cheapest one of them. But one of them is $7. The other one is $25. I'm going to put a link in the description for both of them or for one of them. But just make sure you're buying the right one, okay? So this is how mine looks. Yours may be different. So how do you know which one to buy? Well, just go ahead and take yours off and take a look at it. And when you go to Amazon, before you buy it, just make sure it looks like the one you have. But to install this, I'm just going to put it back same way I took that one out, which was something like, what was it? Something like this. And once you put that in, which I'm not going to waste your time by, well, I just did it again with one hand because I'm cool. So once you put it back in, and once you plug it back in, you're just gonna come in here with your hand, and as you can see, I'm over there, you can just push it through. And as soon as you push it through, the clips will come out and you should be fine. So let me go ahead and do this with both hands because I'm, I guess, not that cool. Oh, there you go, I am. So that's it. I just replaced my sensor. I'm not gonna have that issue anymore. As you can see, my other sensor was broken. That's why I was getting the 50 degrees, and sometimes I will get negative 40 because it wasn't giving the right signals. But that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you, which I'm sure it's very common. So it's super annoying, all those whenever your AC goes out. So this is very, very common and people don't actually know. So go ahead and share this, tell your friends, whoever has a Chevy Cruze. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Check my merch. But yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bleep. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you real quick the temperature outside, 88. Now that makes sense. That's it. Just wanted to show you guys now how my temperature is working fine. It's telling me the accurate temperature, and my AC is working fine. So hey, hopefully this helped. Take care. Good day.